Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's look at this question related to waves. The state of vibration of the wave particles at a particular instant is depicted in this diagram. Analyze the figure. Question A. What is the amplitude of this wave? Question B. If it takes 3 seconds to travel from O to A, find the frequency of the wave. Question C. Find the period of this wave. Now let's look at the answers. Amplitude A equals 0.2 meters. From the diagram, the maximum displacement is 0.2. Frequency is the number of vibrations in 1 second. Frequency F equals total vibrations divided by total time equals 3 by 3 equals 1 Hertz. Now, period T equals 1 by F equals 1 by 1 equals 1 second. Or you can answer part B. A wave traveling from A to B in 1 second is depicted in this figure. Question A. Which type of waveform is indicated in the figure? Question B. How can the speed of the wave be found by relating wavelength and frequency? Question C. What is the speed of this wave? It is a transverse wave or longitudinal wave. The relation is speed v equals f times lambda. Speed is the distance traveled by the wave in 1 second. So, speed v equals 2 Hertz times 40 meters equals 80 meters per second. Thank you. Happy learning.